Alright, hello everybody, it is me. I am back with another water propagation video, but this time is for my Pothos because it's dying. I picked it up from the nursery and it just was going downhill, I guess. Don't really know what happened there, but what you're gonna need is a Pothos, cutting or a plant, a jar, and some scissors that are preferably clean and not so janky looking. Alright, and this is my Pothos. As you can see, the leaves are curling in certain areas, and there's also some yellow leaves, and it was really hard to pinpoint what was going on with my plant because yellow leaves are a sign that it's being overwatered, but then the leaf curling is a sign that it's being overwatered. So I was very confused about what was going on. I tried, watering it and making sure that it was draining it as best as I could by letting it hang outside and just getting some fresh air and the wind, and that was just not working out. So it just became more limp, and this is where I was like, okay, I need to try to salvage as much of this plant as I can, because obviously it was looking pretty sad. So, I did my thing, went to research what I could possibly do to save my Pothos plant, and I found out that you could actually water propagate them. I wanted to start out small with just 2 cuttings just to make sure that it was going to work out for me and the plants. I didn't want to dive all in and just kill off the entire plant that I had just bought, and as you can see, it actually worked. It started to root and it looked healthy, and I was like, cool, I'm gonna try to do this to the rest of it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did, and hopefully this can help you out if you're also struggling, or if you want to give a Pothos to your friends or something. You can totally do that because, yeah, propagating them is actually really easy. So, yeah. On day 1, I just cut the plants and then put it in the water. But there's a certain way you're supposed to cut the plant. So there's actually these nodes, and if you can see where I'm pointing to with my 2 index fingers, you can see that I'm tapping the node, and you want to cut below the node. So you see how it's, pointy right there, and there's 2 plants coming out. That's the node, and that's where you cut right below. So I'm cutting another node. It's almost like a knuckle for the plant in a way. That's what it reminds me of. And so I just cut right below that, and then I placed it in the water and I let them do their thing. It was really that easy. Pretty cool. Yeah. Side note, maybe use cleaner scissors because mine just look gross. So that might also help with the health of your plant. On day 6, we started to see some rooting happening, which was really awesome because I was totally rooting for these plants. Ahaha. But that was such a bad joke. I'm sorry. But it was exciting because they were rooting. And then this is the first 2 that I showed you at the beginning of the video. They were also very healthy looking. And then about, almost a month later from, the start date, it was looking super healthy, and the roots were growing. The plant was looking more lively and just perkier and not as wilted as it was a few weeks prior. So that was really exciting to see because I felt like I saved the plant and it's still doing really well. So I'm really happy that it turned out like that. Alright guys, that wraps it up for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, go ahead and drop me a like. Tell me what tips you know for taking care of a Pothos plant, and yeah, just have a great day. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.